Okay, great. Today we are going to learn something fun. Not from a book, not from a script, but from a traditional game. Thank you, wonderful. Today I will introduce you to a traditional game from Central Java. Yeah, it's called Bakso Boyek. It's acronym from gobag, and then Boyan and Jumlah Suang.
Jumlah Suang is a traditional children's game from Java, Indonesia. It is not only a fun game, but also a cultural activity that teaches values such as honesty, cooperation, and critical thinking. The game is usually played in groups and is accompanied by a traditional song called Jumlah Suang, which makes the activity more enjoyable and meaningful. First, the players choose one person to lie face down on the ground or sit while bending forward. This player is called the seeker. The other players sit around the seeker. Next, one small object such as stone or a small item is used as the suang. The players pass the object from one hand to another while singing the Jumlah Suang song. The movement must be done carefully so the seeker cannot see who is holding the object. After the song ends, all players stop passing the object and hide it on one player's hand. Sodor is a traditional Indonesian game played by two teams. It is a fun and active outdoor game that requires teamwork, strategy, speed, and concentration.
Kelompok maju dan bingkut, dan kelompok yang menang adalah kelompok yang perempuan. Nah, jadi yang kelompok perempuan akan bermain, sedangkan yang laki-laki akan jaga. Siap anak-anak?
This game is very popular among children and is often played on a field with simple line markings. How to play? First, divide the players into two teams, the attacking team and the guarding team. The guarding team stands on the lines. Each player is responsible for guarding one line and can only move along that line. The attacking teams start from the front line and tries to pass through each section of the field until they reach the back line. After reach the back, they must return to the starting point safely. The main goal of the attacking team is to pass all the lines and come back without being touched by the guarding team. Meanwhile, the guarding team tries to block and tag the attacking players. If an attacking player is touched, the teams switch roles. If all attacking players successfully pass and return safely, their team wins the round. Conclusion: Gobag Sodor is not only a fun traditional game, but also a great way to develop teamwork, physical fitness, and strategic thinking. It helps children Conclusion: Gobag Sodor is not only a fun traditional game, but also a great way to develop teamwork, physical fitness, and strategic thinking. It helps children stay active while preserving cultural heritage.
Anak-anak, sekarang permainan yang ketiga adalah boy-boyan, ya. Atau kalau di bahasa Jawa itu Geprek kempung.
Geprek kempung is a traditional Indonesian children's game that is fun, active, and played in the groups. This game trains teamwork, strategy, agility, and concentration. It is commonly played outdoors using simple materials such as pieces of roof tiles or broken tiles and a small ball, usually a rubber or softball like a casty ball. The material needs several pieces of broken roof tiles to be stuck, and then one small ball, casty ball or rubber ball, and open playing area. How to play? First, divide the players into two teams. One team becomes the throwing team and the other team becomes the guarding team. Next, stack the pieces of broken tiles neatly in the center of the playing area. This stack is the main target of the game. The throwing teams takes turn throwing the ball to knock down the stack of tiles. If the stack falls, the game begins. After that, the guarding team tries to hit the players from the throwing teams using the ball. At the same time, the throwing team must work together to rebuild the stack of the tiles while avoiding being hit by the ball. If a player from the throwing team is hit by the ball, the player is out or the teams may switch roles, depending on the rules agreed upon. If the throwing team successfully rebuild the stack without being hit, they win the round. Geprek kempung is not only an exciting game but also helps children develop cooperation, quick thinking, and physical coordination. It is a valuable part of the traditional games that promotes both physical activity and social